not working. Pankaj was doing something.
अच्छा मैं
So
लिंक
from my side, it was from
Okay.
his side.
हाँ
Okay.
अजय से फ्रेंड
I
है
had
ना
to
तो
go
बाद
upstairs
में
to
से
set my
2 जने
internet
बात कर रहे
connection
थे
because
ऑलरेडी
the rains put off the light for just
हाँ
1 second, and if the lights go away for even one
हाँ
second,
मेरे को
then
अच्छा
my
ही
internet connection
अरे
gets
સાંભળો
disrupted.
ઓલી લિંક મોકલું મેં ગૂગલ હેંગઆઉટ તો તમે લિંક પંકજ સંપર્ક સાહેબ
So
મોકલી છે
All right.
so
I'm
we are already
using
online if you want to join us
her
immediately right
modem
now
which she has gifted me.
Who
What
is
is
this
that? Net?
young
I,
guy?
Hi.
young guy is
Yes, yes,
Mr.
he,
Mr. Rajesh Garwa,
oh
the technology
Recently
genius.
met
okay
before, right?
okay
No,
okay
no, we have spoken on phone. I was in Ahmedabad and on your birthday I
okay
called you.
okay
Okay. Yeah. Now I got it.
Uh,
Yeah.
so how's the life? You are seems to be like
yeah boy
more
boy
into adventure and everything,
sure Freddy
paragliding. So Pankaj was
okay boy
saying a lot of things
sure
about you.
okay
Yeah, that's my life.
That's
Adventure, a lot
really
of adventure, a lot of adventure, a lot of adventure.
okay.
So Pankaj,
Uh,
since Nina is coming over the first time, I want she should give us some fitness tips.
for free.
Yeah, naturally, free. She will not charge to us.
Okay, first is definitely I would like to see all people smile. Okay, main
right.
is smile. If you people smile, then you'll give me energy. Otherwise, I can't talk to anybody. Without smile, I can't talk to anybody.
So
Frankly.
I requested you for this talk in a smiling way. I hope you
Yeah,
understand.
yeah. That's great. That's great.
Okay, so we are waiting for your tips.
What
we are
tips? Oh,
we are all smiling
Yes.
yeah, great. So, what tips are you looking for?
how to keep
Whatever
ourselves fit
best you can
and
give,
fit and
because most of the people are senior citizen.
Nahi, one young guy definitely is there.
I mean,
Rajesh is not senior citizen.
tomorrow he will also be a senior citizen.
no, that way we are all young but
But even I can't say, means even I will not say, sorry, I would not say that means you people are senior also. Okay, for
yeah
me, everybody is young
thanks for
Okay.
the
and
compliments
not from heart, I would say, definitely from age, I will say that.
very
Because,
good
because till you are alive, according to me, I really don't know what other people say, but till you are alive, you are young because your
that's
Yes.
heart
right
is working,
Okay.
right?
correct
So
Right.
when heart is working and when you smile on your face
Hmm.
and when you can flirt with the women, it's young,
yeah you're young
right? So that's the thing.
She is the
So
most mischievous lady in our association, the life of our association, and she is the most adventurous lady I've ever met.
oh
So
oh
she is running she's a personal trainer, and
yeah
she's also running Bhangra classes. If you all are in Pune, you
Masala
can attend
Bhangra
that.
workout.
Masala Bhangra.
oh oh oh
Oh, okay. Can you tell us like what is this masala bhangra? What kind of like dance type?
See, this is Masala Bhangra workout is basically it's a folk dance from Punjab. You know that, right?
yeah
Okay, yeah.
Traditional folk dance from Punjab. Okay, and
All
a
right.
little bit pinch of Bollywood. We put it in the start some movement of Bollywood, and we do the dance. Okay, we celebrate
Okay.
fitness in dance form.
Hmm.
Okay,
Oh,
Basala
okay.
Bhangra workout is celebration. It's not a just fitness. So you celebrate, you dance and you celebrate. So
is
when
this
we
something like it is something like aerobics or something
no, it's not aerobics. It's a dance. Definitely, it's dance and workout.
okay but right now whatever you see on the dance shows is all same right
No, you seen Bhangra,
they are
right?
doing so much of work out there
Yeah,
on
but
the
Bhangra you have seen, right?
yeah
So
Bhangra
that is same, but
mm.
little bit different. You have to do it totally accurate means just heart. You. This is not a Bhangra, so we do it in correct way. It's like Punjabi style, totally. So it's really good. It's take a lot of. It's a very high intensity workout again.
Mm-hmm.
If you do it, this is about 35, 45 minutes continuously doing it. You cannot stop in between,
oh
and you sweating a lot and you get hungry after the doing this workout. So it's really good actually. I enjoy this workout. But this is means new concept I have started means I have learned I have taken a training in Bombay.
okay
4 days I was there and
What is that lady's name?
twice.
What Jain is she? Which Jain is she?
She's Sarina Jain. She's a
Sorry.
founder of Masala Bhangra Workout. She's a really good lady. I will say great lady. I never get interact so fast with a lady, frankly speaking. Very rare ladies come in front of me and then I get interact. She's one of them. It's really nice. She's really good, great. And by me means I am actually basically fitness instructor, like personal trainer. So I take a lot of classes. I take yoga. Yoga is not just yoga. I take yoga. I take relaxing yoga, then couple yoga, then power yoga, then hatha yoga, then breathing yoga. So all kind of a yoga I take, and I do abs classes. I take aerobics classes, and I take leg trainings, and I take circuit training. Lot of classes I conduct. So my concept is 5 days, 5 workout. Actually, I have introduced this concept in India. Now people have started copying me. India is Mahan. India is great to copy everything, right? So they start. A lot of people have start copying me. I am now in industries 1.5 year old, and the people have started now have. Means I'm hearing from other people, and they saying, yeah, one is there. Just they have started. So yeah, they have started means copying me, and but it's okay. And Nina is Nina. Again, I would say.
She's also conducting corporate training. She goes to
Yeah,
Bajaj
I
Allianz.
started about 1.5 months with Bajaj Allianz, and they are really happy with me because they are keep changing instructor and all that. They have changed, I think, some 3-4 months, 2-3 trainers, I think. So they were saying, and but with me, they are really happy. I have my team, and they go and they give the training. I go 2 days. I take 1 day yoga, 1 day other activities, and they are happy. And do a lot of masti with them. My nature
Bring
is
them to life.
I cannot be serious. Sorry, the problem is with me. I can't be serious, and if I'm using some kind of sometime I use very bad language. Means according to Indian people, my language is because I learned because I've been to the UK many times and learned different kind of a language. It's open language we say, but the thing is, my people are okay with that. But I really don't know if I say something wrong, and if you can't digest that, please just stop me and I would say sorry. But this is me. I can't.
In that Bhangra dance, you mean that you have added some different type of spices to it?
Yeah, spice of Bollywood.
Spice of Bollywood. That's what I mean.
Spice of Bollywood in Bhangra.
In
Definitely.
Bhangra.
This pinch of Bollywood is there, but it's really beautiful. Nice dance, good dance.
Acha, what
Flow
exactly
and the
is
music
hip hop?
gets you into high spirit.
What Pankaj?
The flow and the music environment get charged up, gets you into very high spirit.
Yeah.
You don't know
Yeah.
that you're doing exercise.
Yeah, you don't know, miss. You're just doing dance, and you think, miss, you're just enjoying. You know me from the beginning, actually, when you saw me, I think so. And I love dance, actually. And without stopping, I can go whole night. Whole night. Nobody can stop me if music I love, and they are means they have that kind of a music. Then whole night I can dance.
One of those, which was at Merlot Hotel party of our associate Founders Day, it went on till
Yeah,
1:30.
that was in Chennai.
Nobody was willing to go back home.
Yeah.
Okay, one more thing. How this fitness madness happened actually? What kind of idea you had?
Okay, that's a great question actually. The thing is, you see, I'm actually from the beginning when I was maybe 14, 15, I am into fitness. I used to go cycling and I do a lot of things, when I was in 12th, so I got, then I had taken an NCC, and then that time I did it parachute in Agra, and I've done that. So from there, that time is, I just think is I should do something nice. But it was always in my, behind my mind. It was not coming up. But then again means like I was going here when in Pune. I was keep going to the gym, lot of gym. I think so I have changed a lot of gym. But I was paying very high amount to these guys, but I was not happy, frankly. What kind of a workout? Because daily you're doing the same routine, going to the treadmill, going to the cross trainer, and going to the same. And I'm not kind of a person means you go for social, life for that. Means people I have seen nowadays, people go to the gym to socialize. Okay, they get connect, right? But I am not that kind of person. I need fitness definitely. When I am going for fitness, I need my fitness only. Then I'm very serious. But I was not happy. Yeah, so I was not happy. I changed a lot of gym. Then it's just somebody offered me this studio which I have now. They have offered me means like because being in real estate. So she said, Miss Nina, look for some client if somebody can take it on rate. So I just sitting and said, bloody hell, why I am not taking it, you know. So I'll just thought, and then I thought, okay, I'll start something new.
Okay.
So it means if I'm doing, then my responsibility, right, to go to the studio.
Yeah.
Otherwise, if I'm a member of some gym, then I'm not going sometime. Maybe I pay fees for 1 year and go hardly 1 or 2 months, right? But then when you are responsible for your studio, and then definitely you have to go daily, right? So that's I kept in my mind. So I said, okay, means I'm paying to the gym. Instead of paying gym, I can pay the rent, and this will be my private personal studio, and people will be there, and they will love me. And then then I did my training with K11. This amazing K11, really nice training they gave, really great training, great knowledge. I don't think so somebody can give that kind of knowledge, and it was eye opening for me. And it was really good training they have given. Everything is like part of muscle and what things work, everything, you know, what the, I didn't know that a muscle name, even I didn't know the exercise name, but now I know everything after taking a training. It's really good. So then this is my life now. I love now fitness, and without going my studio I cannot complete my day. It's like that.
Okay, it's your passion now.
Yeah, it's my passion, it's my madness. That's why I kept it Fitness Madness.
Okay.
Okay, my studio is Fitness Madness. So if people are mad,
If you don't have a madness, you cannot achieve the fitness.
Yeah.
That's what is the slogan.
simple, very simple.
Madness should be in
I'll just ask you one more thing. I'll just ask you one question. Since you know it's your studio, like Fitness Madness. This is in Viman Nagar also.
Yeah, it's in Viman.
Okay, maybe 15 days to 1 month back, Pankaj sir, he was sharing something online, you know, that virtual kind of training and everything. So, have you ever thought about like
That hangout, I
sharing
was
all
talking
this-
about that
yeah.
hangout, fitness hangout.
I think so, he was looking for hangout. Yeah.
Okay, okay, it was okay, okay. That was for the
No,
hangout.
no,
I
Nina,
thought.
it was about that foreigner lady
Mhm.
who does the fitness madness on a hangout. I sent you that link,
Oh, okay.
that recording of that fitness madness hangout.
Uh-huh.
So we can help you do it like that, and it will be international. Somebody in any part of the world can see you live from your studio or from your residence, and you can see them. And virtually any number of people can be doing your steps as if they are gathered in your studio. Because this lady is doing it all the time online on Google Hangouts.
So
Yeah.
it's like breaching the boundaries virtually. You know, you will be in Ahmedabad.
There
you
is
will
now
be
no
in Chennai.
geographical boundary.
Yeah, that's there, definitely. We will do it that way also. Even I would do that.
So
We'll
that
take-
people who are out of India, say in Bangalore or in Mumbai, they can also take part, and we can have a site where they can online calendar schedule like a video conference broadcast. They can join in, they can see you give the training, and they can do that in their house, and you can correct them all through the cameras, and it gets recorded. So you can address any number of people or from anywhere can be actually taking part in your virtual studio.
Yeah, know that.
Yeah, you can make it like, you know, commercial model also, that people who are joining or people who will get the access, they have to get a certain membership fees also. That can be like in future. It's a really good, nice model.
Yeah.
I am staying in Chandni Chowk. It's like, so these both are like staying in Mumbai. We are talking on net, but if we are having such kind of, you know, then it's a good idea.
Yeah. Right.
So, Nina, I have one small question.
Ji.
As far as the senior citizens are concerned, how much time you can suggest to walk in the morning? And second part is whether brisk walking is good or slow walking is
No, I think so. If you can do the brisk walking, then definitely I prefer that. And half an hour is more than enough for you people.
good. Okay.
Again, I will say that it's up to you. If you can go for 45 minutes, go 45 minutes. Up to you, right? And then only the thing is now in this age you have to take the food very lightly. Don't eat so heavy food because digestive system is very weak this time. So you should take a very light food. So if possible, don't eat so much mutton and chicken because it's not really good for.
I don't eat mutton.
Because you're not doing so much hard,
Right.
workout, so you don't need so much. Yeah, you can have definitely, but not in the night basically. You should not.
Chicken I hardly eat 2 or 3 months in a 1 or 2 things.
Egg is very good. You can have egg instead of having a.
I don't like egg. I don't eat fish. I only eat chicken.
But you should go in the night definitely, and fruit should have fruit, not the fruit juice.
Really, I have food, but very light food, not heavy food.
No, I'm talking about fruit. I'm talking about fruit. Fruit.
Huh.
Yeah, so if you're having a fruit, you can have fruit in the night.
Yes,
but
yes,
before
okay,
7.
true. Okay.
Before 7, not after 7.
But that should be taken before dinner or after dinner.
See, always I prefer that means the fruit should be taken before dinner, because then your tummy is little full, so you are going to have just maybe one chapati or something because you think you had already your fruit. So then
What should be that gap time between dinner and fruit? How
Half
much
an
time gap?
Half an hour.
Okay, half an hour is okay.
Yeah.
That means that whatever
But
food we
juice
eat
you should not
before
take
half
it.
an hour, that will be digested.
Yeah, juice I think so. It's not really good.
No.
You taking the pulp out and then taking
Yes,
juice is not really good.
And the fiber is out already.
Food then is really good.
Yeah, I always try to eat to my own teeth. I don't like juice.
Yeah, great.
Huh.
Yeah, sir, you were asking me something.
Yeah, the food should be actually more of colorful food, like in the rainbow.
Yes.
That is what is said, rainbow colors. Because anything white is bad, like sugar, salt, everything is bad. So it should be colorful food like green
Red
vegetables
capsicum,
or red
carrots,
peppers and
beetroots, green
Orange
Yeah,
juice.
actually, frankly, this is a really good question you're again asking me. Nowadays, I'm having that kind of food only. I just have vegetable. What I do, there's very, very simple recipe. I will say that. And you can make it very easily. Very, very easily. Even 3 years child can make it this one. So what you have to do is take the like cauliflower, beans, okay, red pepper, green pepper, means like Shimla mirchi, and then yellow, and mushroom, right? And you can add whatever the means zucchini. If you have heard about zucchini, it's like English cucumber, right? You can add this. You cut it into piece, and what you have to do is wash it properly, and then what you have to do is just put little olive oil, just 1 teaspoon little olive oil, heat it, and put all vegetable into, and just shake it well, and just steam it about 2-3 minutes, right? And then open it and put according to your taste little salt and black pepper. You take the black pepper, not the powder one. You make just dadara piece na jaise. Just do that and put it there.
Okay.
And you just have it and you see the flavor of the food. It's amazing. It's amazing. You're not putting any spice. No spice at all. Just salt a little bit and then just black pepper. Yeah, it's beautiful. If you want a little bit more, you can put you can decorate with the iceberg. That the leaf iceberg. And lettuce is lot of means leaf. You will get leafy things. You can put the palak, whatever. You just decorate, and then you will get the tempt to eat that. This looks beautiful.
Like you're already tempted, it seems.
Yeah.
You people get a chance to eat her chana masala. If you people get a chance to eat her chana masala or her shira, you'll eat your fingers as well.
Yes.
I'm fortunate to be her neighbor.
Sometimes you can have sprouts. Sprouts is very good.
Yeah.
You can make the sprouts at home, and just do the saute. Don't eat just raw. Raw is not really good because it takes a lot of time to digest in your tummy. So just do the saute again in olive oil, and just do the 2-3 minutes, and put again according to you your salt and pepper and whatever, and you eat. It's really nice. Frankly, I seen is people eat chicken and mutton and all that, but the thing is, a lot of variety we have in vegetable.
Yes.
Yeah, veggies they have a lot of variety. No idea how people they eat. It's like chicken and mutton and all that. but a lot of varieties there in vegetable. Very
Okay,
nice.
Gina, I want to ask you one question. Today, I saw some very beautiful pictures and videos of Ambi Valley skydiving. They have a club there. Do you know about it?
And
Skydiving in Ambi Valley.
MBA.
Yeah.
Yeah, Sahara Group's Ambi Valley.
Ambi Valley. There are a club of skydivers from people like you and all from Pune, Mumbai, who go
Oh,
regularly
no. What was the name of that group?
skydiving in Ambi
No,
Valley.
but they have a name. Some
Yeah,
they
they
have a
have a
school
name
name or not?
and it's on Pinterest. So I just got somebody who sent me that link, and I Pinterest is a very beautiful thing. You can join. It's like Twitter, social media like Facebook and all. You can post photographs which are links to your website post or any website you see. You just click it and put it on your Pinterest account. It's a board, like a bulletin board, where you put pictures basically. Those are pictures. When anybody clicks on them, they'll go to that site about that content. So it can be a video, it can be anything, it can be a blog, website. So it's a very famous way of building traffic, which I'm going to open an account for your Fitness Madness website. And anything related to any good activities, interesting information from Pinterest. Everybody has a Pinterest, like everybody has a Google Plus, everybody has a Facebook. This is another very big thing happening. So on Pinterest, I found this board with pins of all the lovely photographs and all the videos, more than the photographs, of their skydiving. And I put it, I can repin it on my pin board, and I can then put it on Facebook wall. So I put it on your Facebook wall also actually for you. You didn't open probably your Facebook wall. So if you click, you'll go there and you'll get to watch about hundreds of videos and photos. It's something of interest to you, so you can take a look at that. Just I thought of it.
Rajesh, you have any kind of adventure life or no?
Sort of, but not now. Earlier, I had some sort of trekking, and during my school days or so, I've been to Kendriya Vidyalaya kind of school, military type school. So I was playing football, then hockey, and being part of that, sports cadre. I was being to like Varda and Amravati, Goa as well as Goa. So that sort of life was there, but in some accident, there is some trouble in my back, maybe 10 years back. So due to that, I stopped those activities and everything. But as of now, no such like activities are going. Mainly because of my, my business adventures, you can say lots of research and lots of new projects I'm working on. I'm also working with the government of Gujarat. So there are some projects, and life is like at this stage I'm hardly having time. So, but I'm really inspired by your adventure videos and some photographs. I have gone through your profile, so it was really nice. I would be.
Sorry to stop you in between. See, life will move with everything. Okay, with
Yeah.
your kids, with your wife, with your husband, with your parents, and everything. Okay, but this life you have only one time. This is the time you should enjoy. You should do whatever you like it. If you can't do it, then one day you will regret, I have not done this. And that will make you unhappy, my dear. Really unhappy. So do
Yeah,
it
right.
right. You don't know, I have a ligament problem in my leg. Okay, I cannot walk sometime. My knee gets stuck, but still I'm
Okay.
doing it. That's my challenge. I'm not going for operation. I'm not going to do anything because I can take it. I know that I can take it. So you have to keep in your mind, this is your life, only one life. You have to, because see, time is going very fast, and you don't know. Maybe I will tomorrow. I'm not there, boss. If I step out from my house and maybe I get accident or something, I'm not there. Yeah,
Right.
but this is see, everything you going. Sorry to say again, you having your lunch, you having your dinner, you having your breakfast, you having your wife meeting, you having a kids meeting, you're going to the school, there and parents meeting, this meeting, that meeting. So this is also necessary. Take out some time for yourself. Talk to yourself. Most
Okay.
important thing, people are losing that. That's not really good. It's really not good. Take out some time, talk to yourself, sit in the corner and talk to yourself what you need. Just leave everything apart. Just keep it up. Your business never go out from you. I'm telling you. You can call them. But life, when you will spend this time, and after 40, 50 years of age, then you can't do anything. Then you say, oh, I have a time now, I have a money now, but I can't do this.
She has done deep sea
That's right.
diving. Rajesh, she has done deep sea
Scuba.
diving in
What
Goa.
kind of
I'm
scuba
not
diving?
See, diving means I have my scuba diver. I got my license.
Oh, that's
I am
good.
a paraglider. I am a now student pilot. So
Mhm.
I have cleared my P1. I will do now in November because now season is off. So I'll do the P2, and
Okay.
I do the motorbiking. I have a gypsy, so I go on my
Nice.
gypsy. I do the cycling and I go trekking. I'm mad about this.
And water rafting?
First is my priority is my adventure, my life, and then other thing is totally out. I earn from real estate for my adventure. Frankly speaking,
Okay.
whatever I earn, I'll
That's it.
just spend in my adventure.
Yeah, great.
So Ninaji, after listening you, I have one wish. I don't know whether God will fulfill it or not.
Gee.
Just please comment also. My wish is कि when I last saw you your video of air gliding, I wished at that time कि if I would have a bird, I would like to fly with you.
That's
That's so.
I don't know whether God will fulfill this wish in this life or next life.
so definitely, it will happen. Don't worry about it. Just leave it to the God hand because without God permission,
Right.
you can't do anything. So don't worry, it will happen.
She
This point
climbs.
just came
You
in my
can't,
mind when I saw your video.
if you can't fly, it's okay. You can come with me and see there. When we are flying there, you will be happy to see us.
Right.
You come and join there. It's you know that there's a tandem. Tandem is you go with a pilot
Hmm.
and you just go up.
Mhm.
It's 15 minutes fly and it's beautiful there. So anybody can go. Anybody, any age, no age limit.
No, that's what I'm inviting everybody to come to Goa because I'm having my guest house
They are
in
going to
Panjim.
Goa on the 25th. Why don't you
We
join?
go on in I think
25th August.
22nd August. Yeah.
21st
25th.
is 21st is my birthday actually.
Hey, 21st my daughter's birthday.
Wow, that's great. And
My
22nd your
daughter's
birthday.
birthday also in 21st August.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's
Her
great.
daughter is a very famous photographer, huh? She's
Oh,
doing a great photography
Oh,
job.
great. That's great. My
So we
daughter.
are fortunate to have all talented, multi-talented people in our network group. She's also part of Top Fusion. I'm encouraging her to do some kind of network, become a networker and work online for 1 hour because she'll get to meet very interesting people in the process. See, like my wife in Top Fusion, I've met so many interesting people from UK, from England, from America who are still connected with me. That is a great opportunity itself. We are a family member of some great activity. That activity is just instrumental in between. It is rewarding, but you got to keep 1 hour aside discipline, and you will learn a lot of attitudes and a lot of good things. Now, I had been talking to her about inspired living. We really never get a chance to spend time now because she's loaded with her fitness activities and her new assignments. So my complaint with her is give me 10 minutes. Either you come online or we go to Phoenix normally. And so today she gave me a choice, two options. You want to go to Phoenix or you want to come online. So I said, of course, Phoenix. By the time she said, give me 15 minutes, Vijay said, yesterday, 2 days, Vijay has been bunking class. This is our class, this is our office. So I had given him a strong dose yesterday that I don't want excuse tomorrow. So at 2 o'clock only SMS me that I am online. I said, wow. So I said, do one thing, you call Nina because she,
Oh, so that was you, huh?
yeah. So I gave
Okay.
him your number क्योंकि घर की मुर्गी दाल बरोबर मैं बोलूंगा तो वजन नहीं आएगा. राजेश बुलाएगा, एसएमएस करेगा, विजय एसएमएस करेगा, सुनील एसएमएस करेगा, तो थोड़ा प्रेशर आएगा कि चलो क्या है ये सब 5 लोग की टोली टोली आपली કહે ને ગુજરાતીમાં ટોળી.
yeah.
Ah,
So we are trying to expand this culture of people working and meeting each other online. I'm trying to give her confidence that this works beautifully because with video conference she was not comfortable with Talk Fusion. So I said now we have Google, which is very intuitive, very easy to click. You have to just click and you can discuss. Now I want your permission for 1 minute. I want to experiment. I'm going to share some videos which I have of the National Association of Realtors, which I've downloaded it. Can you hear the audio if I play it? I'll do a screen share. That is something that will open a lot of new opportunities for us. Can I just do my screen share and play a video and see if you can hear the sound of that video?
Yeah.
see.
Huh?
Yeah, okay, you can go with that.
Okay, I just give me a minute.
Okay.
I'm doing a screen share, full screen, and I'm just Give me 1 minute, will I get that videos working? Okay. It is in my laptop, so I'll have to open my folder. I'll just play any video, not that I want to see how it works. I'll go to the downloads and okay, let's say this is important. Begin lamp lighting. Okay, I'm just going to play this video. Now this is playing on my screen.
I can't see anything.
Okay, I'll play another video. 1 second, I'll play another video. Opening dance.
No, but screen is not shared actually.
Yeah, I can't see your screen.
You have to share your screen first. Okay.
Just a
Now
minute.
I can.
All right.
No sound.
No sound. Pankaj, you need to change your computer, please.
No. See, hello.
So Pankaj is, I think,
Okay.
trying to work out something.
Yeah, I can see
He's
some.
listening to the music and actually he's not listening us actually.
Ah.
बेकार है उनको बोलना अभी अरे आ जाओ खुद ही अकेले अकेले ही उसका वो लुप्त उड़ा रहे हैं
Are you there, Pankaj? Hello. There हो गया.
He's still arranging the screen.
I think so.
So in the meantime, thank you very much, Ninaji. You have kept my words and given me full respect of coming online. Otherwise, I would have felt that I called Ninaji for the first time to go over Google Hangout, but she didn't come. Anyway, thank you very much.
I was at home, so I thought.
I'm on my meeting. Google
Now it's
meeting.
totally raining,
3
so I
to 5
cannot go out even.
Yeah.
No sound, Pankaj.
Are you coming? Are you coming?
There is no sound.
I'll call you after.
okay he's
I'll
on
call you
call
after.
I think so he's talking to someone.
See it won't work actually this there is some problem with
Okay,
Google.
now just could you hear the sound?
No.
No, not at all. See, there is a policy by Google. There is some copyright infringement policy by Google where you can't share video. Yeah, so audio is not like we can't listen because since it is broadcasting, open broadcasting, so there are some copyright issues with somebody's videos or anything. So that's not but see, for our Google Hangout and everything, for my purpose, I have already sent a mail to Google. So I'll get the resolution maybe next week or so. They are saying that at least 2 weeks it will take. So we can't share videos with audio actually.
Okay.
And this is one advantage that we have in Top Fusion. I'm just trying to compare that we have screen share now just in Top Fusion video broadcasts. Just as 1 second, I'll just get this stopping.
इतने सारे screen खोले हैं, my God.
एक मिनट ये बंद करूँ ना मैं.
How many are there, my God?
Oh no! I want to stop. I just have to click on screen share to stop it. Okay. Now why my screen color has changed? Okay. Right.
No,
It's coming. Okay. So basically, it is very important for audio because audio is an integral part of our communication, any presentation. I mean, it will become a major restriction if Google does not solve this issue of whatever copyright or whatever it be, because in other broadcasting systems, audio and visual, whether it's a video or not, can be broadcasted on a whiteboard where people who have gathered on the video cameras can actually share and enjoy, whether it's a song or whether it's a presentation or it's anything. So then that means we have one advantage of Top Fusion, that it will have the Now they had one disadvantage which Google overtook, because she keeps telling me that okay, some smarter guy will come and do better than Talk Vision. So it happened, and I accepted that okay, Google Hangout is more intuitive,
I
more
told
easy.
you, right? I told
Yeah,
you
yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah. You told me, I'm giving the credit to you. So she's always trying to find that why Talk Vision is not good enough. But I'm feeling bad, so I kept quiet for some time. My bad period is over now. Talk Vision has come out with same screen share. You don't have to upload the content previously. Before you launch the broadcast, you can run your desktop, or you can run any website on your while you're doing the video conferencing. So that matches with Google Hangout. Now they increase the speed issue, that intuitive. Then the recording also will happen automatically. You don't have to have another software in the background doing the recording of the presentation or the meeting. So then it compares. Now we have that audio also plays when I'm playing a screen share, which if Google doesn't have, then I'll say, "Yay, my Talk Vision is better than," because
Ha
I
ha
love
ha.
that. I love that
Ha 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 ha.
because it earns you money. Google doesn't earn you money,
मालूम है ना सबका बाप होता है.
but you are a family member of Talk
Remember that
Vision.
directly कभी भी बेटा पैदा नहीं होता है. सबका बाप होता है.
हाँ. So
हाँ.
anyway, now the whole idea of us getting to know each other and enjoying each other's company and having a discipline of 3 to 4 1 hour a day meeting like this and sharing strategy and knowledge and whatever, is that we should be able to work as a team, as an organization, to make money for each other, because network marketing means, she tells me that tu kitna kamaya. I said, I alone, if nobody works with me, I can't do anything. So I'm now got I must update her that I have started earning because I've got these people doing regularly Google Hangouts. You don't have to meet in an office or in a hotel space, or book a room or have a seminar, go to NIBM or residency club. Those things we have to work from our bedrooms. Just 1 feet of walking in your pajama, as we say.
हाँ,
And
but that is okay. That is okay. But I cannot do my adventure by sitting here, right?
no, that you do
I'm
your
sitting
adventure.
here and I can't do
You need.
anything. Boss.
Yeah,
No, no,
yeah, yeah.
One day I will say,
for that you need to have that Google Glass actually. You will do that also if you are wearing Google Glass. I
Okay,
would
in
like
Google Glass.
what is that?
it's like wearable computer. You can wear that, Google Glass. So once you are wearing it, you can do anything with that. So don't you know about this? Maybe Pankaj sir, please, your insights, please.
Huh?
आप बताओ उस Google Glass के बारे में.
Google Glass is a big revolution that's happening in the planet Earth. They have they have already created it, and there are 75. How many people are there? About 500 people have been selected. They're using it already as a beta testers. That it's like a glasses that Rajesh is wearing, very light, like your sunglasses.
I have heard about that.
And on the side is a computer, supercomputer microchip, which has got a web camera, microphone, speakers, and you can talk and you can do Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, everything, Google search, and it has audio, video, front camera, back camera, everything, everything. So when whatever you are seeing, whatever you are experiencing, you can transfer that to everybody who's wearing Google Glass, or you can project it on a big screen. So when people are diving from airplanes, whatever they are seeing down, that is being transmitted through their glass computers, and there are a lot of videos on YouTube which I can send you if you're interested to see what amazing things people are going to do, because I can see from your eyes, you can see from my eyes, because eyes means what? The computer. Now they have gone beyond that. They have come out with very fine film computers in the contact lens. So you are wearing your computer, everything on your glass inside your eye as a soft lens. So they are combining human body with computer inside.
Lot
That
of crime will be happening then.
Yeah, it's already happened now. They're already testing that. But the Google Glass is out, and it costs only 75,000 rupees, about $1,500. But they are not yet, because they have to get legal sanctions from the government of USA. There are privacy issues, because it means that when I'm talking to you, I can find out everything about you from Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. I can do a
Yeah.
Google search, and I can know what is your background, what is your activity. And before, if I meet you, I can just take instantly while I'm talking to you, I can know you everything about you, because I'm wearing a computer. But I can make presentations. While I hands free, I can have my computer and I can talk to people in real world, and I'm doing my work along with it, multitasking. So it is
Just
going to open up amazing activities and change the whole way world works and lives. Yes, go ahead.
okay, just a
Sorry.
minute. I'll try to demonstrate that Google Glass on YouTube whether it is working or not. So I'll just show you the link actually.
Now, the biggest thing that is happening, Nina, can I take your permission to share a little with her because she has missed out a few meetings? Biggest thing happening now because the world is changing so fast, and you are a techie person. She has the best technology. If it comes before I can afford it, it's already in her house. She's got an iMac machine which she doesn't allow me to touch, Apple Mac, and she was the first person with the iPhone, and she's a crusader for Apple products. So I also realized what is the advantage, not Samsung. Of course, that makes a lot of sense to spend a little extra to get a better product. And I think she'll buy the Google Glass before me, but I'm trying this time. I'll beat her and get the Google Glass for her because that's a
And
competition.
all you people will be in gear, right?
We'll be just like robots connected Star Trek.
Right.
Okay, so the big change and the big shift is that when we were using PCs, then we moved to laptops. Then laptops have become outdated. We moved to tabs, tablets, means iPads, and Samsung pads. And now, after I got the iPhone and I can do everything on the 3G and 4G, I enjoy it more easy, comfortable on my phone. So I don't even use my. That's my experience I'm sharing. I don't even use my iPad anymore unless I need to have a little bigger screen. So the whole shift that is happening is that now the websites have become apps. So there's an app for everything, and there is a big explosion in the business of apps. I can have an app for doing my bill payment. I can have an app for knowing which movies are running that for that theater where we go to Phoenix. What is the name of that theater? What is the name of that theater? Phoenix
What?
का
Huh?
वो theater का नाम क्या है Phoenix में? Very famous theater.
Forgot.
Oh God, you are also forgetting.
IMAX.
Not IMAX.
No.
Bye bye.
अरे Rajesh, remind us that famous theater यार multiplex.
Sorry,
That multiplex.
which one?
Phoenix में,
हाँ जी,
huh?
multiplex. Sorry, I didn't hear you actually.
The theater in Phoenix.
Aye, Baba, that cinema hall he's talking about in Inox. I forgot. Phoenix, sorry.
PVR,
PVR.
PVR, yes.
Okay, so there is an app which she found out on PVR, so she can book her tickets through the phone and take the seats and all that. So for railway,
It's
airline,
this big cinema also. Everybody has now.
so everything is app, airline booking, travel, shopping. So basically, I'm trying to explain to
अब
you
तो
all that.
धीरे-धीरे कोई मोची को अपने शूज भी सिलने में ना उसके पास.
Provision stores, everything is an app basically. So the app explosion is so huge that people don't even have time to come home or office and get onto the laptop or a pad. They are working on the go. So anything and everything which we were doing on laptops, PCs, or iPads are possible on the phone with the 3G being mobile wireless with you. So then there is one very huge industry which is self-development, personal development, inspiration, motivational development, which is itself is a huge industry if you have studied about it. And that app has come which sends you on your phone amazing inspirational motivation videos, self-training, personal training, guidance tips, which change our attitude and help us to do better in life, whether it's a personal, private, business, relationships, or get organized or things like that. We know it, but the way these videos are there, if you see them, you'll understand how well they are motivating you, and a few of the ideas which you get ingrained in you, you will change your behavior, like reminding you to go to fitness or walk or voice and all. And these are by very high class, world class leaders, authors, celebrities. It's something you won't find on the net. So that is a product which you get in the app. Now it's free. It's not that you have to buy it. It's free. Most of the apps are free, and people love free things. So it's something everybody will like to have it, but it has a business associated with it because it's so powerful, it's so enlightening, it's so much needed for everyone. Even the most successful people keep on in touch. So if you decide, you can be doing the business of sharing it to 3 people, and it has the same business model of network marketing. It does not cost any big investment like other businesses of Top Vision or Amiga Global or Millions, whatever there are in the market, that you don't have to pay even 2,000 or 5,000 or 15,000 or 40,000 or whatever. Nothing upfront. It's a monthly small subscription of 500 rupees because there is a 60 rupees conversion fee. There is $10 a month. It's a global business. You like it, whatever you like in life, as it is, you share. If you like to go to, you enjoy the experience of going to a restaurant or a movie, you as it is tell people. So it is Network marketing is based on this idea that human beings have a tendency in nature to talk about something they've experienced, they've enjoyed, and share it with their friends. And you get paid for it because it's formalized through a web business model, like you have an ID number, your back office password. So if I share it with Rajesh, he likes it, he shares it with his two friends. All that's all you do, and that goes like a viral, and you earn money from the residual income that people are paying 500 rupees a month. So actually 500 rupees is not something people will think of. If they like something, they will definitely say, okay, come on, I'm on it, I think it's worth, my child will use it. See, we don't have time to bring up our children. Many of the rich people who are caught up in their lives, who will do this wisdom building, like Sunil rightly pointed out, his son. What did your son say when he saw the video, Sunil?
Yeah, he was so much impressed. In fact, he already started practicing it, and he is joining it today. He
Yeah,
couldn't
that
do it
was my
last two
own
days. Yeah,
experience. That when I just saw
yeah,
those three videos and some of the tips I incorporated in myself, I saw immediate results. So I thought that we'll build this seriously because it has a system of training where with the kind of training that we get is already world famous. That you get three people, it's a 3 by 7 matrix. Every person can have three immediately below him. Then that person has three. You help the person whom you got. I've already got my three, and I'm helping them get their three, and then it keeps going because everybody has 2 or 3 people whom they have influence over. Like I have not so much influence over Nina, I'm trying, but if I definitely get influence over her, then she has influence over Sangeeta or somebody else, and then it goes like a virus, and everybody is looking for an opportunity to have an income steady flow coming from working from home. So you are not really a salesman selling to 10,000 people, but the 10,000 people come in your organization because three get free, get free, and then you don't have to do anything. Once you've trained your immediate three whom you got and given them support, inspiration, leadership, basically everybody needs a vehicle to earn a steady income without any investment. In traditional business, there's a lot of investment and time commitment. Here, when it starts going, the concept of network marketing, I'm telling you, is that
Scam.
okay. So she will definitely join when I can get time to eat her head. And she has a great sphere of influence. I mean, people who have really enjoyed connecting with her and who have benefited from that association. So they will definitely listen to her. See, the whole business is, even however good the product is, the influence is what. The referral is very important. When Sunil will say it, then somebody will listen to his word. When Vijay will find three people that who already believe in Vijay, that they know that Vijay won't take them up the wrong path,
yeah.
and then he will hold their hand, and his upline will help Vijay. All the uplines help each other, and this only thing that was missing, which was making network marketing very difficult, was that you had to have hotel meetings when Google Hangouts were not there. So you had to meet in a physical place. It was a task. It was a discipline. Can you imagine that for us to get together on a hangout from our bedroom is a task? Am I right? That we miss it out. Something else comes. Then if you have to have a hotel meeting, which network marketers used to have, they'll say, yeah, I'm not in the mood, that inertia is there, I'm not feeling like going. Normally we don't feel like going. We know we have to go, we don't feel like going to do that because that laziness, that inertia is there. So now because we have Google Hangouts, it is going to make life very easy for networkers. They come on now, hang out half an hour. Where is your problem? Bring your guest. I will convince them. So if you follow those simple 5 steps on inviting new people, like yesterday, Rajesh missed him. I think you missed out, and even Vijay missed out. Mr. Sangvi, his colleague from Air India who's also retired, he came in and
No,
initially,
Sham Paranjape.
Yeah,
Haji,
Paranjpe. Sham
Paraj.
Paranjpe.
Yeah. So then after towards the end of the session, he was fired up. I
Yeah,
found
yeah.
that change from when he came in. When people come to meet you, they have their guards on. They think they know more, and they know everything is the end of it. And then gradually they experience. Oh, this is something I didn't know. This is something might interesting. So then he said, oh, I enjoyed it. So he went back with a feeling of satisfaction, enjoyment. So I know will make him come second time, third time, and then see, to bring a change, even a positive, people resist everything. People have very rigid mindsets. That's why what Vijay says, I can understand that he says anything. He says, no, no, I am bad. If I'm not interested, I'm not interested. But if you believe in what you're doing and you know that it can work once people will cooperate, it's a cooperative model. It has to be a teamwork. I cannot go around selling thousands. I can sell, but I'll get tired. Then I don't want to become a salesman. I want leverage. So now Sunil has become one of the person who is independently fired up and getting people. And what is working for Sunil is that his energy, his excitement. That is what they taught me in Talk Vision. That when you propose or when you says to something, that belief that you have strongly in your heart will be speaking on your behalf, not your words. Vijay might be not knowing, but that is what is touching him when he hears me. That he's so charged up, he's so enthusiastic, he's so excited about it. Then he starts believing in me. And I have to fulfill my commitment after Vijay joins to continue that with him, help hand holding him, because he's not as good as me, but he will become by a few sessions with me. And then I'm sure after 2 months, Vijay will be a different person. He'll be talking like Pankaj. So Pankaj will have duplicated himself in Vijay. And then I don't have to do, because I'm creating Pankajas all over. I'm creating Robin Sharma's all over. I'm creating Rajesh Garva's all. I keep your individuality, but a little bit of dynamism, taking massive action, taking a risk, which people don't have. People want all the wealth, but they don't want to take action. They don't want to do anything to develop themselves. Am I right? If you have developed yourself, if you are full of good intention of helping, then it cannot be that you are poor, because that is against the law of the universe. And every day you're thinking, whom can I help change his life? Whom can I contribute to? Not thinking for yourself. Because the beautiful thing about network marketing is all the time you're thinking how I can help somebody worthwhile to change and guide him. And everybody needs support, but they have an ego. They say, I don't need support, I'll do it myself, and they won't get it. But if they get a good friend, what is happening is this. So that is why I like network marketing, because it's about good value systems. And then it becomes a teamwork. We are not competition to each other. In traditional business, if I do a deal, Nina loses it. If Nina does a deal. So in traditional business model is that it's about competition. In this, it's about cooperation. I don't need to be successful. I have to make Sunil successful. I have to make Vijay successful. I have to make Nina successful, fulfill her goals, fulfill her dreams. And because she is below me in the tree structure, I will earn more. If she earns 2 lakhs, I am above her, I'll earn 3 lakhs. The whole system design of the business model is that people below you, whom you are guiding, supporting, changing their attitude, changing their behavior patterns, always training, always supporting, and closing for her, and that benefit comes to her, then I will of course earn more, because it's an interdependent thing. So the whole life pattern changes. And I know that network marketing is the easiest way, because once you achieve that leverage, then you don't need to do, because you have your army, they have learned from you. First initial 3 months is a little effort, but then it's an investment of time. And when I have motivated you and got you the tricks, what to say, when to say, how to say, invite them, and then you are doing this, it's the same formula you're applying in life again and again. Once you know the formula of success, you're playing the same formula.
Yeah.
Sorry, my thing has got 1 second. No?
Don't you think so? तेरे को leader
Bas. Okay. My Windows is an unofficial copy, so it goes off. So I have to do an Alt F4 because it's Windows 8. So anyway, I will shut my mouth up because she doesn't like to listen for more than that. And I have to rope her into ILA. ILA is Inspired Living app. And before that, one day I will show her those videos which I've downloaded on my iPad. So that will convince her. One day Rajesh will come to Phoenix. He has been keeping that promise. One day, Rajesh, when you come, we all will gather in Phoenix and let these people get Jay, Vijay.
But Rajesh is staying in Pune or what?
Yeah, he's in Perth Road. He comes often, but now because of Google Hangouts, he stopped coming. Anyway, let me tell you some interesting things that Rajesh does.
This is also going to be happen then, when people will not come and meet you.
Then he will have offline and online strategy combination. In fact, Sunil is itching to come for a holiday to Pune. I can see it on his face. Sunil?
Haji?
I think you are getting a desire to come to Pune and spend a few days here. Because he's from Pune originally. He studied in engineering college, Pune.
Yeah. So
and Vijay wants to attend your fitness Bhangra class.
You are also from Pune, sir?
Haji?
Suri sir, I know that he's from Bombay.
No, he is from Bombay, half from Pune.
But I've studied in Pune engineering. Yes. Right now from Bombay.
Sunil sir, you are from Pune or Bombay? Bombay, I think so, right?
Sunil is also from Bombay.
He's from Bombay.
Yeah, we both are from Bombay.
Oh, okay.
They are neighbors in Borivali. They stay in Borivali.
Okay. Borivali. Which society?
Kent Residency.
Anji?
I'm in Kent Residency at Borivali.
Oh, okay.
Chandavarga Road.
I'm in Kandivali, Lokhandwala.
Okay.
He's Iron Man.
Nina stays in Bombay in Borivali or Kandivali somewhere.
Borivali, I go.
Borivali.
Borivali.
I
Near
stay at Kandivali. My Masi is in
Where
Kandivali.
is
Shanti
Borivali?
Ashram. Near
No, pardon?
Shanti Ashram. Shanti
Yeah,
Ashram.
Shanti Ashram
Shanti
near
Ashram.
Saint Francis, near
So
Saint
near
Francis
there
School.
only
Yeah,
my friends stay there.
I see colony and all. Yeah.
So
Correct.
Rajesh,
Yeah.
we need to pull out a car and go for a weekend to Mumbai and
Okay.
Borivali.
make our gang over there. You
Yeah.
मुंबई
Definitely.
बॉस मुंबई ना ये बारिश के टाइम में जाने के लिए बहुत डर लगता है कब वहाँ
नहीं
फंसो
बारिश के बाद जाएंगे
बारिश के बाद में मीन टू से अक्टूबर नवंबर
because we have to do a lot of shopping from that Lamington Road, all the electronics things. So I'm saving money for that 1 month, 2 months, so that when we come there, we have small things, not big things, but
Okay,
that you get
meanwhile,
better in Bombay. You don't get in Pune.
okay, for Nina, meanwhile, I have shared one YouTube video. You can see it in chat box for Google Glass, you know.
okay I'll do that
What, yeah, like this video for that Google Glass. So since we are talking about the electronics, you know.
yeah actually electronics is my favorite subject
Wow.
all gadget means I am
Gadget
not
guru, we call her gadget guru.
I am not the jewelry kind of a person. I'm not that kind of woman who loves jewelry and all that. I love a lot of electronics thing and should be really good. Then I buy. Otherwise, I don't buy.
Okay.
But definitely, it's like diamond for me.
Okay. That's great.
Yeah.
So now you have one more friend in Vimannagar, Rajesh. When you come all the way from Kothur, let me tell you what Rajesh does. Interesting things in connected with real
Rajesh, you
estate.
have to actually Kothur is very near to Talegaon, and we go for paragliding in Talegaon.
Okay.
So you are so near to them. It's just maybe hardly 15-20 minutes from you.
Right. It's
Why
very-
don't you just try that then in November when they'll open now? Now season's stopped because of raining. So
Okay.
they'll open now like this October or maybe November. October. I think.
Definitely. I would love to be part of that, you know.
Yeah. Yeah.
I was, excited in my, college days. I was so excited by all those astronomy and everything. I wanted to be an astronaut actually. So paragliding and everything, that would be very exciting actually. Amazing
Yeah.
things will be happening to me.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Pankaj sir, he wanted to share something.
Yeah, I wanted to say how I met Rajesh. I met him on Twitter and I saw what all he's doing in real estate. He's not a real estate developer or broker. He is doing for all the big builders in India. Punato, you name the builder, he has done software for them. It gives an interactive 360 walkthrough. Like you take your client to see the property. Now it's beyond video. In a video, you can't change whatever is fixed, that will play. But here you have the control with your arrow keys. You can go and enter into the different rooms in the passage, in the lobby, and get the experience as if you're walking around the property. You can come in and out 100 times. You can see the surroundings, that Google Maps, and it's automatically connected with the floor plans and everything information that a client or a buyer would want to know. And it can be shared on Facebook, Twitter, combined with all social media. So you get a lot of SEO, lots of visits. Now, every top brand builder, what you are dealing with, whether it's Atul Chodia or Gera or Kumar or Karya, he has done already for them for all their projects and it's on their site. Because this every builder uses this technology. In
Yeah.
Bombay, Delhi, Hyderabad, more than 400
So-
projects he has covered. And we did one for Karya just now for their Vagoli project. And we did for Gera, Trinity Towers and all. We did for One North. So this is his specialty. It's his monopoly. R3 Interactive, that's his company that does for all this. He was doing for MCHI. MCHI, you must have heard, Nina, is Maharashtra Chamber of Housing Industries. More than CREDAI. In Bombay, all the builders are members of that association. So they have exhibitions. So he made a virtual on the net on their site. When the exhibition is going on, you can go into the stalls and meet the people who are participating in those stalls, get their brochures, talk to them and all that. He did for Vibrant Gujarat. Then that was a mega event in Gujarat by Modi for inviting all over the world people. So he was their virtual partner. So we are doing many other jointly ideas. We are making one site called Luxurious Most Luxurious Homes, luxurioushomes.in. where we are going to have all these walkthroughs of not only India, outside India, Dubai, UK, US, all the best properties which are over 10 crores or over 40 crores, very elite properties. Supposing somebody wants from that elite segment of Insta to buy a property, there is no one portal where you can get. Can't go to Magic Bricks then see all the junk and millions of properties. You want an exclusive portal of only the high elite, world famous classy properties which somebody will be searching for, and those world famous classy brokers, you can meet them on video. So it's about luxurious homes, and since there is no geographical boundary now, anybody can see what are the kind of homes in Bangalore, Delhi, Bombay, because in Bombay now the prices are 1 lakh rupees a square feet in Nepean Road. Ravi Verma did one deal, he told me last week, of 25 crores in Bombay because of this networking. So the high value deals are easier if you connect with those kind of buyers, and then you have that exclusive behavior and you can talk to them. So we are connecting the high value brokers on video who will be charging on a monthly subscription, and this will be a very exclusive, which will have also magazines on the stands of luxurious homes. Then there'll be kiosks on airport and in hotels and all. For those people who are in those circles and clubs and all, they can connect with the people who are dealing, the brokers who are dealing in high value property. And that idea, we have jointly working on it. That site is being ready, content is being built. So that if we do real estate, we want to do real estate in the very high end, and there are buyers, and there is not competition over there. I mean, that exclusive class portal will be there. So we will be featuring such brokers, and they'll get the business. They'll pay us on a monthly basis. Those builders who have got 10,000 crore project. See, Ravi was telling me in Delhi, the brokers are earning, and they are as rich as builders. They have got 500 crore, 1,000 crore assets.
Because you don't know that why they are richer than other city. Because there is a very vast, you can say that, deal happen in black.
Whatever.
Okay?
Yeah.
If 20% you taking a white, and then 80% will be black, totally black money.
Correct.
And these agents also get the totally black money, and they can rotate it also very nicely in their market because they private property.
NCR is highly unorganized sector, real estate, and it's like it is in infancy, you can say. So builders are not that much